I'm tired of finding job opportunities for all of you. And now it's your job to find those opportunities and crack your next job. And hence I have created an amazing AI agent that can help you find the latest opportunities, compare your resume, optimize it, and then apply so that you can be the best candidate to get that job. And I have made this using Replit Agent 3, and you can do it by just following this 10-minute tutorial. Agent 3 is 10x more autonomous and it can run up to 200 minutes autonomously. Agent can now test its own work, fix the code, that to 3x faster and 10x more cost effective. And the best part, agents can now build agents and automation, and that's what we have built for you guys so that you don't have to worry about applying to job opportunities. Type Replit and go to the Replit platform. I've already logged in, so I don't have to. And then you have to paste a specific prompt that I have pasted. You can, if you want the prompt, please comment down so that I'll let you know. So the prompt is here where we have added some core features like Smart Job Finder and Resume Optimizer and Scorer. And then the technical implementation, how it will be built. So because I know Python, I'll be building it in Python Flask. It will be a one-page application. Then the design requirement, the UI UX requirements, where I want to build the front end with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Prompt is pasted. I have created this prompt by using different LLMs available in the market. You can do the same depending upon your requirements. It has started the planning part of it. Okay, so it has jot down all the features. We'll be using web scraping. So it has intelligently identified we are building a web scraper type of app. So it has disabled the design part, and then we just have to click on build the entire app and we'll start building. And the agent 3 autonomously will start, as you can see, user information manually set to agent 3. It will start building the thing, and we'll relax and wait till the time it converts everything to preview. So our website is ready and it looks pretty simple. The purpose is to do the task, not the UI and UX, because we haven't focused much on it. As you can see the prompt also, there was not much detail about the UI UX. It was more about the functionality of it. So we are looking for a software engineer role, and the location is Bengaluru, India, which is fine. We can write Bengaluru. I haven't tried it. I'm also trying it for the first time. Entry level job, because most of the audience is like that, and we'll keep it last 24 hours to get the latest information. We'll use only LinkedIn as a website, and then we'll find the opportunity. Let's see how it goes. If it will come across any failures, we'll fix that. Job search completed, we found an opportunity, and there is a URL associated. Let's click on apply now, and it has opened me something not found. Okay, let's see, analyze the resume. Okay, it has not found me the right opportunity. We'll have to fix that. The scraping logic is not working. The apply now URLs are leading to 404 not found. Please use, or maybe let me give them a let us give it a format. Let's go to google.com and give it a format how they can search. For instance, we need a software engineer role, and the location should be Bengaluru, and site should be linkedin.com. And let's see how the search looks like. Now the search looks a bit better, and then these links should be scraped. So okay, I'll say this is the URL format we have used for LinkedIn example. The query looks like this. This results in multiple relevant URLs, and we can pick any one of it. Okay, let's see how it uses this context to modify the logic, and if it will be able to provide it even this with all our filters at this particular page. We'll be able to compare those job descriptions using the resume optimizer, where we can upload our resume also to compare with the job description. So basically the tool do is, once we'll have a job description, we click on analyze for resume. It takes the job description here, and then we drop our resume to compare if our resume fits for a particular job. So we can also try this right away. Let's copy a job description and upload our resume also to see if its first feature isn't working right. Let's see if this particular is working or not. So I have uploaded my resume, and then I have to click analyze to see if my resume matches or not. There is a problem, not found. Please use NLTK for natural language. So okay, natural language toolkit of Python. So there is a problem with the development itself. It's not able to create the analyzer. This particular error which is coming, so that it can fix it. Fix this error in resume analyzer. Okay. So after a lot of debugging, I realized there are a few mistakes that we were doing, and then I vibe coded everything and able to fix both the tools. Now I have to do a few more changes on the idea that we initiated with. First of all, the thing which I really liked is when I pasted the problem. Basically, I was getting the logs here in this debugger. So I was getting these logs, and I pasted these logs here. Although it can take those logs, automatically also. So in the resume analyzer, I was getting this particular bug. The agent 3 made the fixes, tested those, and then give me a response that now things are working fine. It has tested that. It has tested with an example, and then they are getting the result also, which is insane. I mean, it is doing all the testing and the fixing on its own, so that the output is perfect. And then I validated the resume optimizer. It was working as smoothly. Then I was facing errors with this job finder. It has provided me what are the reasons of those failures. So apparently the problem was Indeed was blocking with a 403, and LinkedIn URL extraction wasn't being possible because LinkedIn API also restrict any kind of bot attacks or something like that. So scraping was getting very difficult. So since we wanted to rely on the Google search itself, I changed the prompt. So since I mentioned a couple of times that no URLs are being fetched, so let's update our process, how we are fetching the URL. So I have asked it to update the UI with job title and the location, and based on this we'll be searching on Google across platforms, like whatever URLs we get, and then for example on LinkedIn, if you are searching for a role and the location, it will find those URLs and it will provide us some result. Based on the result, we'll copy the job description and then analyze it. So let's do it again. Things are working absolutely fine now. This is a simple vibe coded project or web app that I've just created in 10 minutes. It's amazing for anyone who is getting started, and then you can improvise on the go. You have to work with agent to make or build new features. Okay, I'm looking for a maybe front-end engineer role. Location is Gurgaon. Let's see if we'll be able to find these roles or not. Okay, so it has found out a few opportunities from different websites like Glassdoor, Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed. Let's try searching on LinkedIn. Okay, so now it is in UP, Gurgaon only. Let's take one of the job IDs. There is no job description. Interesting. Let's see somewhere else. Maybe this one works. MasterCard. I have uploaded my resume. As you can see here, I have uploaded a job description. I'll just remove the metadata that has been copied here from here, and then we'll analyze the resume. And okay, it doesn't matches with the so ATS compatibility. My resume is ATS compliant, but the match score is very low, and the keywords are here which are missing, and these are the improvement suggestions, which is insane. So here is our tool. Now I just want to do the last touch up with the UX. Let's update the UI. Let's make it more fluent, responsive, with a better minimalistic design and animations. So it has updated the UI. Although the UI has an amazing animation, but the colors aren't as per our needs. I mean, it is very gloomy. So as you can, I like that shimmer effect that happened in the beginning. The animations are pretty cool. Smart Job Finder and Resume Optimizer, and this looks good. So this is how you can build a full-fledged full-stack application for your use case from 0 to 1 in just 10 minutes. And that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to use the link from the description. Bye.